He pū tere hauma Helix, he ahuatanga whakatū whare hau mā Aotearoa.
A couple of years ago now, we set our mind to developing something new for New Zealand, for Aotearoa. Now that it's actually happening, it's rewarding, it's good for our Rangatahi to see, even those that are qualified that work with us, it's good to see it, and it's good for the industry and as a whole, and fantastic for iwi.
I timata te pāmu o Helix Global Limited i te tau 2020. He pāmu e aro ana ki ngā āhuatanga waihanga. I ngā tau, kua mahi ngā tauira o He Toki ki a rātau. Hei ākua nei, ka motu te waihanga whakahirahira o tētahi whare hau ki a Aotearoa. Ko tā te tumu whakahaere a Reegan Lawton, he whakauka, he tia ke te utu o tēnei momo whare.
I mean, obviously with the affordability side of things, as one aspect, we're building in a controlled facility, so that makes it, we don't have to deal with weather, we don't have to deal with the usual things that we have on site, so that brings costs down for the build, and it means too that owners can have better quality finishes or furnishings, those sorts of things.
We can control the waste. We order just exactly what we need because our programs can tell us what we need. So our waste is very, very little on site.
Ko tā te tahi atu o ngā tumu whakahaere a Nikki Lawton, kua pai katoa te mahi ngātahi ki ngā tauira o He Toki.
Probably seeing their progression in learning and the confidence and the skills that they have gained, and that they can believe, or they do believe, that they are actually going to be able to make it through. Traditionally there's quite a high attrition rate with apprentices in construction and building. We want to change that.
I think Reegan and Helix being basically the future of building, I think is helping our young people to be involved in that kind of future thinking. What does sustainable build look like in the future? How can they be the best builders they can be?
Ko tā te menetia pūtere o He Toki a Ariana te whetū, nā te mahi ngātahi ki a Helix kei te whanake haere ngā tauira.
Helix are very good at dragging us into the future, into technology. We've had lots of discussions around how can we teach our students or help our students learn through mixed reality. So there's a lot for us to learn as an organisation and a lot for our students to learn. So I'd hope to continue that relationship for a long time actually. So yeah.
The kaupapa behind what we do with Māori drives our business. Every decision we make is around their welfare. Hopefully in a few years' time they can see what they've achieved. I don't think they actually realise the involvement and the sort of the pioneering aspect of what they're doing.
Kei te hikaka a Helix Global kia mahi tonu ki te taha o He Toki. Me ngā tūmana ko a rātau kia mahi mō ngā hapu, iwi hei ngā tau e tū mai nei, kia waihanga i ngā papakainga. Halle Taite-Pitama, Tahu News.